Hello everyone, I am from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering, Solapur. Today we are going to learn about the probability. So, introduction of probability. Probability is a measure of a likelihood of an event. It is a fundamental concept in mathematics and statistics that helps to understand and analyze random phenomena. So, what is a probability? Probability means sambhavta. Chances or a possibility in mathematics. It is used to predict how likely event are to be happen. Predict that only the change of an event to occur an event. Probability range from 0 to 1. 0 means the event is impossible, 1 and 1 indicate a certain events. Probabilities are usually expressed as a function, decimal or a percentage. Means a 0 represents an impossible event will not happen and 1 represent a certain events will be definitely happen. A value between 0 and 1 represent the likelihood of an event occurring. Then next formula. Probability can be calculated using the following formula. Probability of A is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcomes, where probability of A is the probability of event A occurring. Then next, types of probability. Theoretical probability means based on the number of favorable outcome divided by the total number of possible outcomes. And experimental probability based on a repeated trial of an experiment and calculate as the number of times an event occur divided by the total number of trials. Few important terms. Sample space. The sample space is the set of all possible outcomes that can occur in trial or experiment. First, tossing a coin. Sample space is equal to head and tail. And next, rolling a die. Sample space is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 possible outcomes. Then next, experiment or a trial. An experiment or a trial is a situation or a action where the outcome is uncertain. For example, tossing a coin, scrolling a die. An event is a single outcome or a set of outcome of an experiment. For example, getting a head edge while tossing a coin is an event, and scrolling a 6 on a die is an event. Getting an even number 2 4 or 6 on a die roll is also an event. And next example, calculate the probability of getting head when a coin is tossed once. The sample space, total outcome head and tail is equal to 2. Number of favorable outcome is equal to 1. Probability of head is equal to number of favorable outcome by total outcome. Probability of head is equal to 1 by 2. In this example, when a coin is tossed once, there are two possible outcomes, head or tail. Those outcomes make up our sample space, which is a set of all possible results. In this case, our sample space consists of two outcomes, head or tail. Then calculating the probability. How to calculate the probability of getting head, we need to divide the number of favorable outcome getting head by the total number of possible outcome. In this case, this only one favorable outcome getting head, so the probability of getting head is 1 favorable outcome divided by 2 total outcome, which is equal 1 by 2 or a 0.5. Next example, calculate the probability of getting red balls. Solution, total outcome, sample space is equal to 7 red balls plus 5 blue balls is equal to 12. Number of favorable outcome is equal to 7. So the probability of red is equal to 7 by 12.